What's good, chat? Niggas be back with another video. So laws of power number 43, I believe. Just so close to finally taste it. So close to finishing the series. Number 43. So it talks about how to satisfy, how to control people, basically. So what is it? Sometimes we have nothing to offer to satisfy people's interests. You know that. Because think of it like power, like a barter system. To get power, you need to give something out, right? So what happens if you got nothing to give? It says in order to get them to help you, but there's a need to unlock their hearts and minds, right? This seduction involves knowing what makes them unique and what they share with others around you, right? So what do we mean here? Like you guys, I mean, the person who wrote the 40 Laws of Power, I think, is Robert Greene. Has multiple books. He has written about multiple books, right? And one of them is the Laws of Seduction, the Art of Seduction, actually. You can, that's I can give it like a I'm probably want to give like a summary, but I want to save it for another video. So like I suggest you just read it. Where it talks about how to seduce people, of course, but that yes, you understand that different types of seducers, right? And there are also different types of seduced. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So like with that being said, you need to know who are you and what kind of seducer are you and what kind of seduced, what kind of victim is you're trying to seduce. Because for example, a dandy can a dandy is like the seducer. He can seduce someone that is I don't know, like too rigid. That's for yeah, for the best. A dandy is most likely to seduce someone that's too rigid because a dandy is all he's more like free, doesn't care about anything. So you need to read that book. It's very important that you read the book. But sooner or later, I'm gonna like one of these days, I'm actually gonna make a video about the laws, the art of seduction, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love to get your boy.